What's up, guys? Today I'm already working on it, but I wanted to smoke a freaking machine in my car to see if there's any like evap or vacuum leaks, and change my O2 sensor. The O2 sensor on this, I think I have to remove the header, so or like at least have some wiggle room. So I just loosened the header to see if I could, have some wiggle room. And while I did that, I instead of taking out the nut, I took the entire stud out the engine, or like the exhaust manifold. So yeah, I gotta freaking take this bolt off now and then, bolt a new one on, or just the same one on. So I'm gonna go to freaking AutoZone or something and get the little tool so I can take this thing off and then install it back in. Hopefully it's not a pain in the butt. Hopefully I don't have to reattach everything and just, bring it over here into the garage. I can just do it all in one sitting. But yeah, hopefully I can do this. All right, I've got the car jacked. I'm not gonna work on it until I get every part, so it's gonna be like in a week for now. But I'll see you in a week. Bye-bye. All right, guys, it's another day again. I got the O2 sensor bung thingy relocated. So, Bang 2 sensor 1, Bang 1 sensor 1, 2, Bang 1 sensor 1. And that one is just capped off with a little thingy. Update, just cut myself. When you're putting in new OEM exhaust manifold gaskets, be careful. All right, we're finally done. I'm just gonna go over all the connections and everything, make sure everything's bolted up correctly, torqued and everything. Low-key didn't do any torque specs this time. Everything was like a 10 and 12 mil. It's like 15 foot-pounds, like dude, just guess that, bro. But I'm probably gonna have a fat exhaust leak for a minute. I found some weird leak of like, I think it's ATF and oil. So that better not be the torque converter, front pump seal, or whatever it is. But little sneak peek for the future. Yeah, we have strobe lights now. So hashtag JDM. Dude, this thing is so loud. I low-key regret it. But I did see some smoking. I think that's just something burning off, maybe oils or something, as I was working on the header, but hopefully that's the case if there's nothing else. I think there might be a small exhaust leak. I'm not sure, I can't tell right now, but yeah. Alright, car's running. I'm gonna just let it run for like 10-15 minutes. I know that's not really ideal, but I'm gonna just have it idle and see if there's any coolant leaking from that one area, because I can't like trace the coolant to anywhere but that one small area, literally off the bell housing. But it doesn't look like ATF because my ATF is black, I checked. So I don't know what it could be. Yeah, go. All right, 3K, 4K, all right, 4,500, 5K. Dude, this is bad. Holy shit.
No fuego, no fuego. No fuego, no fuego. No fuego.
No fuego?
No fuego.
No bueno.
Yeah, no bueno.
We're out here taking pictures, and Noah's car died. Yep, this is what happens when you buy a clapped car. Alright guys, the header's in. Obviously somewhere there's an exhaust leak. I need a muffler. This thing's way too loud. Probably HKS high power or Goretti RS. Revolution RS. That leak, I don't know what it is. At first I thought it was ATF and oil, engine oil, but now it's turning out to be coolant, and I don't know where that's coming from. I'm assuming I dinged up some type of line somewhere, but taking out the OEM header, and that's kind of just leaking from there. I don't know where. I checked my coolant levels. They were perfectly normal. I mean, the amount that spilled wasn't that much, but yeah, I don't know. So low-key gotta get that checked out. The oil, I'm pretty sure, is my rear main seal, but or trickling down from the wherever up top. But plan on doing that engine maintenance and then digging down into the transmission section because I don't want to pull out a transmission. But yeah, don't buy an old car. Also, this video was very wish-washy. Like some clips were vertical, clips were months apart. Literally started this video in April. It's June 10th now, or sorry, May. I think late April. Yeah, late April or early May. I started making this video, and Lexus part now sent me the wrong parts. Never got a return. I'm not dealing with it. Took forever to send some parts, so I had to wait for that, and then just kept on running into issues, and then I waited for. Don't buy EVA headers; they'll never fit. It's not worth doing the modifications on them. Just get Megan; they'll fit. You'll have to relocate. Bang 2 sensor 1. Sometimes, depending on who you are, you might want to bang in your firewall if you want to do that. I just relocated the sensor. Other than that, it should be straight. What else? Thanks for watching. Yeah, that's one. And that's about it. See you in the next video. I don't know what it's going to be about.